Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video will also be about animation, but it will be focused on text. So how do we animate a text in Canva? So firstly, we can just search anything. Let's say go to templates, Tokyo. How do we animate a text for social media use? So after this, we can just go here. We select this design, and actually it's pretty simple. You can add some pages as well, say Tokyo, or maybe we can find something bigger. This one, customize this template. So how do we animate the text here? It's pretty simple. We click on the text, we click on animate, then there we go. Top 10 things to do in Tokyo. Then here's skate. Then we can animate the background as well. The speed we can so there we go. This is what the animation looks like. So it would look like somewhere like this. So that's how you animate on Canva. That's how you animate text in Canva. So to save it, press share. Make sure to download it as MP4 video. Once again, thank you for watching, and on to the next video.